Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly unique. A retro-style micro-camper van that blends vintage charm with modern luxury. Imagine stepping into a world where pastel pink meets cream elegance, all tucked inside a compact design that's perfect for both city life and adventurous getaways. This isn't just a camper, it's a lifestyle statement. As soon as you see it parked in the lobby, the first thing that grabs your attention is the two-tone paint job. The cream and soft pink combination radiates nostalgia, while the rounded edges take you straight back to the golden days of travel. It feels playful yet sophisticated, like stepping into a living memory polished with modern taste. Now let's take a closer look inside. Push open the little entry door, and you're welcomed by a cozy interior designed for maximum comfort in a minimal space. The cushioned seating in cream with pink accents gives a warm, homely vibe, while the light wooden cabinets balance functionality with timeless style. Everything is compact, but nothing feels cramped. Every inch has been crafted with thought. The details make this micro-camper truly shine. White curtains soften the daylight, solar panels on the roof keep it eco-friendly, and the polished marble floors of the lobby reflecting its silhouette only elevate its presence. It feels like this camper doesn't just belong outdoors. It fits right into a high-end modern space, bridging two worlds together. But the real magic happens when you sit inside. The foldable cream and pink table creates a small dining or work nook, while the subtle LED strip lighting along the ceiling gives off a warm glow. It's cozy enough for a quiet evening, yet stylish enough to impress your guests. This is minimalism redefined, designed for people who want efficiency without losing that sense of beauty. When it comes to price, this retro micro-camper sits in the premium range, reflecting both its design and practicality. Depending on customization options and added features like solar panels, upgraded interiors, or smart lighting, it typically ranges between $22,000 and $28,000. If you're as inspired by this camper as I am, make sure to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you go for this retro cream and pink design, or would you customize it with your own colors? Don't forget to subscribe because we have more incredible lifestyle and design stories coming your way. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's next.